Alright, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing. This is the Pretty Excellent Watercolor. And I actually bought this, as you can see here, off of Amazon Warehouse deals. So Lindsay the Frugal Crafter bought some paint that was marked as used off Amazon Warehouse, and she got really lucky and got new paints. So I thought I would try the same thing. This said used, very good. And I've really been wanting to try this because it gets such good reviews. So I bought it for, I don't know, maybe $6 less than it was listed new. And it said used, very good. And it said that the packaging could be damaged. But if you look, it's shrink wrapped. And I mean, there's a little, like a little nick maybe there in the packaging. Maybe just a little bit here. That's all that I see. So I'm gonna open it up and see what it looks like inside. If I can. Here we go. Okay. I am going to review these, swatch them out, and see what I think of them in a later video. But for now, I just wanted to see what it was like buying used paint off of Amazon Warehouse. And wow, I don't see anything wrong with the tin. Maybe, okay, there's a little dent. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Let's see if I can get it there. This part is a little bit dented here on the back. That's the only thing that I see. The paints are not used. They look perfect. Has the water brush, paints, instructions, swatch card. So wow, I am actually super impressed. I wasn't really sure what to expect. I thought maybe Lindsay just got lucky and I was worried that I might get some, you know, messy used up paint. But oh, there's one more thing. Okay, if you can see this right here, there's a tiny bit, let's see if I can get it angled right. There's a tiny bit of paint off right here. But I mean, honestly, that really doesn't bother me. You know, I'm not gonna even notice this. I think it's great. I think it was well worth it to save a few bucks. So yeah, I am extremely happy and shocked. So I would totally buy off of Amazon Warehouse again. Anyway, I'm gonna swatch these out and compare them to my other paints. So watch for that video coming up soon. Bye.